What's up, Football Nation? Today we are in front of Taal volcano in the Philippines. Before going here, we have grabbed a few boxes to open. What's a vacation without a box opening, right? We will be opening a 2022 to 2023 Bundesliga Tier 1 box. There are 2 autograph cards and 1 relic card per box. Top rookies are Jamie Bino Gittens and Mickey van de Ven, while other cards worth chasing are the Jude Bellingham, Jamal Musiala and other Bundesliga legends. I must say though, I enjoy opening Bundesliga boxes because of the promising young players. They are very good at developing talents. Let's get into it. For our first card, it is a relic card of Luke Bacchio, 45 of 144. Next card is an autographed card of Niklas Süle. 16 out of 50, Niklas was once valued at $60 million. The final card is going to be someone with nice hair. Maxim Leitch, a very good-looking card and autograph, but sadly Maxim's performance dropped for the last couple of years. On to the next card. Kinda dark, let me refocus the camera. There we go. Oh, Dominik Szoboszlai, an extra autographed card. Dominik is playing really well for Liverpool, and just like I mentioned earlier, you can't count out Bundesliga players because they do produce really good talents like Szoboszlai. An out of 120 beautiful card, and the centering is good. Dominik Szoboszlai in front of the Taal volcano. Definitely a win. Thanks for watching.